Hi guys, in this tutorial today I want to show you my favorite website where you can make money online just by clicking ads and completing surveys and offers. So if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and make sure you like this video. When you click on the link in my description box or from the comment section, it will take you to this sign up page where you can insert your email and your password and agree to their terms of service and then sign up, or you can use your Google account to sign up to this platform, or you can also use your Steam account to sign up. So the sign up process is very simple. So just use your Gmail account, or if you have any valid email, you use it and sign up to this platform. So once you complete the sign up process, this is how your dashboard will look like. So it will now take you to this dashboard, and as you can see here, I have a pending balance of 13 cents. This is just my new account that I created, and I perform tasks for me to show you how this thing happens. So you can see you can make money if you complete some offers. You can make money by completing surveys, and you can join offer partners and survey partners also to make money online. So you can see here, if you are able to complete this particular survey here, you earn $147. This one pays 23 cents, this one 6 cents, 75 cents, $17, $4, $10, and the rest of them. So you can make money online by completing surveys, by simply doing micro tasks also, and I will show you how you can perform micro tasks that can take you seconds or highest 1 minute to perform, and then you get paid. So let me show you the minimum withdrawal from this platform is let me show you. You can withdraw as low as 50 cents from this platform, and if you are using Take as your payment method, you can withdraw as low as 25 cents from this platform. So which means once I get up to 50 cents, I will be able to withdraw to either my PayPal or Bitcoins or Stake or Ethereum or Litecoin, or I can also withdraw as gift card, and also I can withdraw as a skin. So let's go back and show you how you can earn money from this particular platform. So what you do here is to come to earn. So like I said, you can complete surveys. These ones are these are games, so you can play games and make money from this platform, or you can complete surveys. What I do always that always make me money quick from this platform is for me to come to join these offer partners, and one of my favorite here is Time War. So you have to click on Time War. Once you click on Time War, another page will open for you to create an account with Time War. And once you create an account with Time War, it will take you to this particular interface where you see here. So you can see here I have an approved coins of 126 points, and I have a pending of 46 points. So what do you do here on Time War? You can complete surveys on Time War, and or you can complete offers, or you can simply perform tasks from this particular platform and you make money. So one of the ways also, you can click ads. You can also click ads. So once you click here, it's not every time that you can see ads display. So anytime there is ad is available, it will display like as you just see here. So you just have to view this ad for just 5 seconds, and you'll be rewarded with 14 points. So once this is done, if there is other one, it will be loaded. So what you simply do is for you to click on view. It will open up on another window, and it will start counting. This is 2 seconds, 1 second. So this is done. So I can close this page and return back to my Time Wall account. So there is no ad again, because I've clicked a lot of ads today. So my ads have been exhausted, so I have to wait for a few minutes or an hour or more for me to get another ad displayed here. So let me refresh this page for me to see if my approved coin will actually change. So you can see it changes. I have 40 points here already. So let me show you another way you can make money from this platform. So I have to click on tags and then view tags. So you can perform micro tags on this platform to make money, to earn points, and then from here you can convert your points to coins. From your coins you can convert them to dollar, where you can withdraw. So these are tasks, simple tasks that you can perform can perform. Just to visit a website, you can earn money from that. To join a Twitter page, you can earn money from that. Just to allow notification, push notifications, you can earn money from that. So there's so many tasks for you to perform here. You can see them. There are many tasks for you to perform here. So what you do is for you to just look for a one that you know you can do very easily. So if you watch video for 1 minute, you earn 6 points. That one is too low. I don't think I can go on that. So you can see this one pays you 132 points, and you can see there are other ones. This one pays you 366 points. So let me check anyone and try to perform. Let's see how it works. So let me choose any point, anyone that okay, let me check this one. So this one says I should click on this link, and after that I should solve 5 articles. Okay, let me skip that one. Okay, I see this post here. This post says I should visit this link, and then I'm expected to read 3 random posts, and after that I can upload a screenshot of my browser history and send it to them as a proof. So what I do here is for me to click on start campaign. So I have 2 hours to perform this, and this is what should take me less than 3 minutes or so. So I have to click on this link and it will open up on another tab. So this is the website. So I was asked to visit like 3 pages, so I will click on this. It will take me up to another page, so I can just scroll down because some of them can track you. Some of them have some trackers to track if you perform the duty well. So I can just scroll down, scroll to the end, so I can check next post. So I can still scroll down. So let me click on this particular post here, so I can still scroll down again. So I just have to go back to check on another post. So I was asked to click just 3 posts, so let me click on this. Right, so I think I've performed the job. So the next thing for me to do is for me to check on my go to my browser history. So I have to go to history and then screenshot my history, my browser history. So I visited even more than 3 safe. So what I need to do is for me to screenshot this history, this browser history. So if you don't know how to screenshot your browser history, it's very easy. It's for you to open up another tab. Once you open up another tab, search for screenshot capture, and a lot of screenshot captures will appear for you to install. Just click on Chrome extension. So many results will come up for you to download one for yourself. So I have one that I want to use, so let me come here. Okay, I think this is one of it. So I have completed the screenshot. I've screenshot the whole thing. So what I need to do is for me to come back to TimeWall, to my tags, and then click on upload. Once clicked on upload, so this is my screenshot, the screenshot of the browser history that I just screenshot. So I have to upload it. So this is it. Once that is done, I click on submit for approval. So a notification will pop up like this. I will click on OK. So this page will now automatically close and return me back to where I can search for another task to perform. So as you can see here now, my pending points have increased to 106. So the next thing is for me to look for another task that I can perform. So once I see another task, I can click on view, and so within, let me say, within few minutes, an hour, you can perform so many tasks and earn points for yourself. Like which day I have so many points here, up to 1,000. And so the next thing I want to show you is for me to show you how you can withdraw this your coins back to your free cash account and turn it to dollar like this. What you need to do is for you to come on withdraw, so you can withdraw from here. So once you are here, you can click on withdraw this, so you can see. So I requested withdrawal, so let me go back to free cash account to see if it's actually. So my coin have dropped here, so it's because I did not perform so much tasks that this can change. So next way you can make money from this platform so fast is for you to refer others. So if you refer people to this website using your referral link, you can earn commission, 5% commissions from this particular platform. So what you should do is you should copy, this is your referral link, so you need to copy these referral links and then promote them and make money online and make money from this platform, earn commissions from this platform. So the next thing I want to show you is how the problem here is how do you actually get clicks, how do you actually get people to sign up with your referral link. So let me show you the best way you can get people to sign up through your link. If you want to learn that, click on any of these videos showing up here. So guys, to wrap this up, to wrap things up, any cash by watching ads is not just a pipe dream. It's a legitimate and accessible opportunity that anyone with an internet connection can take advantage of. Hey guys, this is how far we can go for today, and I want to hear from you. Have you tried watching ads from any of the platform? Drop your experience in the comment box below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome tips on making money online. Thanks for watching and happy earning.